Oi everybody, Juliana here. Today we go in Mexican and I will be showing you how to make an incredible fresh and perfect for sharing nachos. Nachos are a must-try and can be found in almost every pub or casual dining restaurant in Canada. I will be making it with the most popular toppings, but also delicious beef sauce using my dried rub seasoning, a 3-cheese homemade queso dip, and fresh fried chips from soft shell tortillas. This dish is great because with just one recipe you can accommodate your meat lover and vegetarian friends. So let's get started by making a quick pickled red onion. You can buy it already pickled, but it's also so easy to make and a great recipe to know. Cut one medium red onion thinly and place the onions into an airtight container. Add 1 clove of garlic and about 5 peppercorns and coriander, and set aside. For the vinegar, you can choose apple cider vinegar, rice vinegar, or white wine vinegar, whatever you like or have at home. I will go with the rice vinegar. In a small pot, boil 3/4 cup of water, 3/4 cup of vinegar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar. Add some more coriander and peppercorn into the pot if you want. Pour over the onions and make sure they are all covered. Cover them with some plastic wrap and let them rest for at least 30 minutes. Now you have delicious homemade pickled red onions. For the nacho chips, we're going to be frying our own. You will need some soft shell corn tortillas. Cut them in quarters so you will have a chip size and shape. I'm using about 12 tortillas, which will make 24 chips. For deep frying the tortillas, you need a pot that you can add lots of oil in, around 2 inches of oil. I'm using a medium cast iron, but you can also use a deeper pot if you want, whatever is more comfortable for you. Get your frying station ready, a tray with paper towel and a strainer. Bring the oil to 350 Fahrenheit and start frying your tortillas. Don't want it to melt at once, so it's easier to flip them and get them out of the oil. Fry the tortillas just until you see the bubbles coming to the top. You want a very light color, not brown. Place them over paper towel to dry out the oil and sprinkle some salt when they're still hot. Over a medium pan, heat some olive oil. Add a half of a white onion cut into small cubes. Cook it a bit and add 1 smart clove of garlic. Cook until they begin to sweat. Add 450 grams of lean ground beef and cook it just until you get a bit of color. Add 1 tablespoon of dry rub. I'm using the dry rub from my rib video. You can find the recipe below. You can also use any other rub you have. Salt the beef to taste and add a half teaspoon of black pepper and a half teaspoon of chili powder. Stir well to combine. Then glaze with 75 ml of red wine. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cook over medium to low heat until you see this nice brown red color and the meat is tender and full of flavor. For nachos, you need a lot of cheese on top. I will use some medium cheddar shredded on the top. But to make them a little more special and cheesy, I decided to make my own queso dip. For my queso dip blend, I'm using 140 grams of medium cheddar, 80 grams of Emmental, and 65 grams of Gouda cheese. In a medium pot, heat 1 cup of evaporated milk. Do not boil it, just very hot, and then add all the cheese. Stir until it melts and add the black pepper and nutmeg to taste. Stir until it gets very thick and creamy. At this point, you could add some tomatoes, pepper, cilantro if you want to serve it with another dish. For my guacamole, I just used 2 smashed avocados, black pepper and salt to taste, 1/2 of a garlic clove smashed, and juice from half a lime. Mix everything well. Clean and cut some tomatoes and jalapenos in small cubes for the topping. Pick some fresh cilantro leaves, and for sure some sour cream. Put the nacho chips over a tray with parchment paper or a serving plate that can go in the oven. Add the cheese. I make one side with beef and one without because I want to give a vegetarian option. Add the tomatoes. Put in the oven for 8 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Now you're just gonna add all your toppings. Add the jalapeno, our pickled red onions, some queso dip, guacamole, the sour cream, and fresh cilantro leaves. So everybody, this is my beef and vegetarian take on the famous nachos. I hope you learned some great new tricks in the kitchen and had fun at the same time. This is a perfect recipe for relaxing at home with family, watching a movie or having a drink. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao! See you in the next video.